Hello, everyone. This is Hello, everyone. This is Steve from True Market Finance. I just wanted to go over the markets tonight. I'm going to just have a short little video. I think just gotta go out of here and go back up. Tonight we're just going to go over one chart. Just because we're leaving it late, and I'll be trying to do a video in the morning. But today we're going to do. I'm going to show you the chart of PayPal. And what I have here, guys, is a weekly chart on PayPal. And as you can see, we got a double top up here, and we pulled back from that back in September and stuff. So we've come down here, and we kind of been bottomed right out. So I was looking at this tonight, and I'm feeling like it's going to reverse. So with that, I come back up here to the day. We could pull this up, and it's exactly what it did. We're in downtrend here in this channel, so we kept bouncing off the top, bounce up, bounce up, bounce off. Came to the bottom. Fortunately, I didn't catch it here on time. We got a nice little doji here, and then it took off. So what we could have done here was put in a buy right here, and could have expected this to come back up here to here. So we could have put a take profit here at $90. Now we've seen that we've broke through that. So what I would do with that, looking at this, I would come in here and make another long position here at the top of this candlestick. So what I would do is I come to the bottom of this one, and it would take that's 1 to 176. So you would be making about what, $6 in that little trade right there. So you could jump on that one and make a decent amount of money on that trade. And all you're risking just a small little amount here. So you got 1 to 76. So that's a PayPal. Looking at doing a buy order on that one. I put in here at what's this, 87.07. I put my stop, and I'm using the Haganachi candlesticks, and I put my take profit up here at 97.88, and I feel like it's going to go to the top of this channel. But I also feel from there we could, if it busts through this channel here, we could go all the way up here to 117. Or even a little bit more. You could go in the middle here at 119. So we're risking. So we're going to put in at at $91 and make possibly $120. So that's a decent little chunk of change, you know. So something I've also done too is so instead of putting a stop in here, what you could do is buy, if you have a larger account, or even if you can put in, if you got enough money here for you know, to put in 2 trades, make sure you always use your make sure you always use your calculator to make sure that you're not going over your 0.5% or percent of your portfolio. So if you got a, you know, a decent amount of money in your portfolio or in your account, that would allow you to do even 2 trades, saying if someone's got a small account here. So what you could do is put this trade in that we just did here at, you know, at buy a 91.06, you know, first take profit would be 97.88, and then we could then go and put a second take profit, so we'd sell half our position here at the 97.88, and then we would then take our second take profit up here at 120, and then and right away. A lot of times when I do something like that, where I've done the 2 take profits, a lot of times what I'll do is as soon as I break this first take profit, then I'll move my stop loss up to break even, so that you know, it does turn on you, then you're not losing anything. And so you've taken half of your position, you stopped out at even on the other, and then with that it works good. And that way you save your account, and you know, it's we're on for the next trade to make a few more bucks. And as we always talk in here, I always find and like is just the compounding of, you know, if you just had an account and you're compounding interest, this is just building that compounding a little bit more, because we're going to build by taking trades and just, you know, adding on here, and then buy another stock another day, and buy another stock another day, and buy another stock day. You know, today I bought or no, yesterday I bought Best Buy, and this morning, first thing in the morning, it sold out on me, so I moved on to the next. And I bought a couple other stocks, and tomorrow morning I'm probably gonna look at this PayPal. Well, we're not gonna look at it. Since I brought it up with you guys tonight, I'm going to do that trade. And I'll probably do what I was talking about there with the at the end here. I'll probably do 2 take profits and let this one ride up, because I kind of feel it's going to run right back up here to this line. As long as we keep this market going, I'll again in the morning, what I'll do is I'll take a look at those. Come back here, go to our list here. Right now we're in the red on the futures. We'll see what those are going to do in the morning. If these are in the green, I'll probably do this trade for sure. And if it stays in the red, then maybe I'll look at some shorts and go that direction. But anyway, guys, hope that helped. Some news I got tonight too on the people are Visa, MasterCard is recording record usage of Visa and MasterCard. So those are trades I've been kind of keeping a look at as well. I think I have them under banks. Yes. Visa's the top of the channel here. If it breaks out, you continue on. And MasterCard is at kind of the top. So you can kind of wait for this to reach here and see if it's going to go through or what it's going to do. But the people have been using their credit cards, I guess, because of inflation and things like that. So those are a couple of trades that we can build some profits on. with that, I just want to, put a warning out to everyone. Do not use your Visa and MasterCard. Try to build in a budget to live in your means, because if you start going into that Visa and MasterCard, which in the pandemic, a lot of people paid theirs off. You're not paying interest on that. And they were also saying today with some of these retail credit cards some people have, they're up there like at 20, I think it was like 26% in interest or something like that. So for sure, don't use those. But just try to live in your means, people. Because once you get down that rabbit hole, is really hard to get out. We got to cut back on some things, just drop a budget, and put in every single thing you're spending, like every single little thing. So sometimes, just a coffee, like every single day, if you can make a coffee, if it costs you like $5 or $2 a day, that's add up to the end of the month and stuff like that. So, and the end of the year, it goes like that. So a lot of times, sometimes I'll go and look at, if I'm doing, especially if I'm doing a big purchase or something, sometimes what I'll do is look at how much is that based on my paycheck, so if we go and buy groceries and you make, $1,000 in that week, or $500 or $800 in a week in your paycheck, what is that eating up? So I know with a mortgage or rent, you only want to use a quarter of your monthly paycheck. You don't want to go any more than that. And those are some of the things I want to go over, as well as with the stock market. So then we can kind of diversify ourselves in a whole lot of things. So one will work on, just being there for each other to keep ourselves living in the means of what we make. We can be there for each other in the markets to help each other find the right stocks. I can help you see what I'm looking at, and we can build a portfolio there. I still believe in Bitcoin. The other little coins and stuff like that, they don't really interest me. Sometimes I'll use, if I'm just gonna like thinking of a small portion of my money that I'm gonna just throw away, or what I not throw away, but what I could afford to lose, because it's kind of like an option trade. You could lose the whole thing. So if I'm going to do like a little stable coin or just a cryptocurrency outside of Bitcoin, then I'll just put a small amount on it and just let it grow. I have a couple things like that I'm working with, and I do some grid trading on Binance, and I think I started it with $60 or something like that. And then I just every month I roll it over. Now I'm, that $60 is built into a whole lot more than what I put into it, and I just keep rolling over on the house's money, so I'm not losing anything. I'm just playing with the house's money. So that's a good way of doing things too. I put away Bitcoin all the time. Actually, pretty much live on it. And I use the services from Lend, and get loans and stuff with that, so on and so forth. So when I need them and stuff like that. So with that, guys, I'm gonna go. I'm just having a short little video here tonight, and I wanted to show you that I was looking at PayPal here. I think Square actually was looking to get to. Yeah, Square is another one I was kind of looking at too. Square's looking like it's taking off here too. So Square and PayPal is what I'm looking at tonight. Anyway, guys, have a great night, and hopefully I'll talk to you in the morning. And that's it. Happy trading, my friends.